Hey friends, Zen Cooney here. So I'm going to show you a couple of fun little variations that you can do with your heavier wooden clubs or your club bells. So I'm going to just take a wider stance because I like to change it up and how I'm doing it. So here's what it's going to look like. We're going to swing out to the side, pull back, and park it in a nice low guard position to the side. So it's a lateral guard. Here's our front guard, lateral guard, right? Then we're going to shift it, park it on this side in that left lateral guard position as opposed to front, lateral. So my upper arm is packed right in just like it's fused to the side of my body. So here we go, hand shift. You getting the idea? Now what we're going to do is take it to the next position up. This is the low position. So middle position, so you're in a single iron cross. All right, now next we're going to do the high position. This is fun with this fat grip. So high, high, then middle, middle, then low, and low. Now what I recommend is you do those at first, especially with a lighter club, get your positions all down, then gradually go up in your weights and make sure that you're doing lots and lots of repetitions of this to really get that neurology trained. Now let's take a look at if we were going to do it in the side circle area here. So it would look like this. Here's our low. Here's our medium. And here's our high. Now, I'll show you a little fancy crowd-pleasing thing you can do. When you do the high one, here's the way to bring it down. So, take it up, then swip it again, and bring it down. So, up, and back down again. All right, hand shift in the back. Let's do these same moves on this side. So we'll do the low first. Every time you want to fuse this arm right across all the way to the center. Now go into the middle position. Now, in the middle position, you can still get that extra swipe to bring it back. So one little flip to dip out and one back. Then the next one we're going to do the high position. So high position is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So what you're seeing now are movements that take you out to the side and to the front. So when we're doing the front ones, remember we're staying within this side circle. When we're going out here, we want to be in the back circle. Let me show you what I mean. So this is front circle, this is back circle, this would be side circle, right? And there are many other circles. I mean, you know, there's diagonal circle. There's many, many other circles, but these are the ones we want to pay attention to right now. The side circle and the back circle. So when you do this movement, you want to keep it in the back circle once you're starting to come up, because you want to engage those lats and those powerful back muscles to assist in the process. So I want to be in that back circle, not where if I came down I would hit myself, and also not, see, I want to be in the back circle, not here in the middle or in the front circle. If you do the front circle, if you get into this front circle instead of being into the back circle, you're not going to be able to engage the big muscles in the back as much. So I recommend that you do it in the back circle. So it looks like this then. In the low position, I'm in the back circle. In the medium position, I'm in the back circle. And in the high position, I'm in the back circle. High, medium, low. So stay in the back circle and your shoulders will thank you for it. Because remember, most people are way overdeveloped in the front of the shoulders and underdeveloped in the back of the shoulders, posterior chain in general. So do more with the posterior chain, and remember this, the chain is not only, the saying is, it's only as strong as the weakest link, but actually it's the weakest link controls the chain. So if you got weak links, train to strengthen them.